1811 4000। यही कंज्यूमर हेल्पलाइन।
जागो ग्राहक जागो।
Hello, welcome to Conditions Apply, the only show in the country which puts you, the consumer, ahead of others. Today, we are discussing all your telecom, mobile phone related problems. And here on this show, our lines are open now. All you need to do is pick up your phone and make a phone call. Our lines are open now. The numbers are 022-4098-7300. You can also SMS us at 59995. Also, you can email your queries at oncall@utvi.com. Please remember, all the queries that you make or all the queries that you make on this show would be forwarded to the telecom regulator, TRAI. And here to answer all your queries is, once again, Professor Sriram Khanna, National Convener with Indian Consumer Helpline. So welcome on the show. It seems that we have online with us our first caller. And let's go across and listen to our first caller. Sir, if you could hear us, please go ahead with your query, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Hello. My name is Ibrace and I have a mobile connection with Airtel.
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Yeah, I have a connection with with Airtel. The problem that I face is that I work at a place called St. Mark's Road in Bangalore. And I have a house at Prestige Ozone, which is located in Whitefield. In both these locations, I have a massive problem in the sense I have a full signal at times and I have a zero signal and I'm network searching at times. I first made a complaint with Airtel on the 7th of May, 2009. My complaint number is 273394449. I contacted them quite a few times, and after that I didn't get any reply or any sort of problem. I mean, didn't solve the problem. And then I again re-complained on the 16th of July. At the complaint number is 278225539. I was given a date of 22nd July when they said they would sort out this problem. Nothing has happened so far. I contacted their appellate officer as well as their nodal officers. And you will not believe me when I tell you, it took me 43 minutes to contact the appellate officer. And then after that, nothing has so far happened. I have also written about 13 emails to them, and nothing so far has happened.
Good.
Right, sir. It seems we have got your question, and also let me update Professor Sriram Khanna. The place from where he is calling and the apartments in which he lives is one of the and it is one of the most prestigious apartments and in one of the better off localities in Bangalore.
But it's on the outskirts.
No, but he is facing this problem with Airtel, and he has made 2 complaints to Airtel. Now, please tell us what to do.
Let's put it like this. The technology is that they set up towers. Okay, so there's signal going from one tower to the other, and each tower has a catchment area. So he appears to be on the periphery of a tower. What he should do is he should ask his friends who are having other connections other than Airtel, and if they ask him whether is your signal clear, he's standing, he's not getting the signal, they are getting the signal. It means that the positioning of the Airtel towers is not conducive to his location.
No, but let me raise this issue. If he has complained to Airtel twice, if he has spoken to the
Airtel will not set up a new tower on his complaint. They will just ignore it because they can't do anything. Okay, if they will put up a new tower, it's a new investment, and they'll see their business economics. So don't think Airtel or any other company is going to service every odd outlying customer.
So what you are telling us is that the consumer is hapless when there is a network congestion or when there is no network,
or when he is on the peripheries of the network, which means the cell, either there is an obstruction where he is living and the signal doesn't reach him, but if on the same location there are other people from other telephone companies whose signal is being received, then my advice to him is don't waste your life with Airtel, just switch to another number. And if you love your number so much that you don't want to switch, then wait for a couple of weeks. Number portability is going to come. carry your number with you to another service provider. And
Okay.
BSNL is actually, getting the plans together for number portability.
Okay, that was in news today, Professor Sriram Khanna, mobile number portability, switching to a different mobile operator. But we have here with us our next caller. Sir, if you can hear us, please go ahead with your query, sir. Sir, if you could hear us, please go ahead with your query, sir.
यस बोला है
नोटिस से
हेलो
हाँ बोलिए ना
हाँ सर,
हाँ हमको ये बताइए दो बात हमको पूछनी थी हेलो
हाँ
जी
बोलिए
बताइए
बोलिए
बताइए सर, बताइए।
हमको ये बताइए हम पे एयरटेल का मोबाइल है तो आप हमें ये बताइए कि जब हम 2 मिनट 4 सेकंड बात करते हैं तो वो 3 मिनट का कॉल रेट हमसे लेते हैं, ठीक है ना?
हाँ
यस सर, गो अहेड।
2 मिनट 4 सेकंड बात करते हैं तो वो हमसे 3 मिनट का कॉल रेट लेते हैं। और एक हमको ये बताइए कि जब हम 59 सेकंड बात करते हैं तो वो 1 मिनट का कॉल रेट ले लेते हैं।
सर वी वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू टू, आप अगर अपने टेलीविजन की वॉल्यूम थोड़ा कम रखेंगे तो हमें सुनने में सुविधा होगी। प्लीज क्वेश्चन उस हिसाब से बताइए सर।
जी
देखिए इनका प्रॉब्लम
हाँ
ओके, वी हैव अंडरस्टूड, हमें आपका सवाल मिल गया।
इनका
लेट्स गो
प्रॉब्लम
अहेड
ये
विद
है
योर क्वेश्चन।
कि जो पल्स रेट है वो पर मिनट का है, 50 पैसे पर मिनट। पर मिनट का मतलब ये है मिनट और पार्ट देयर ऑफ। आप 10 सेकंड 20 सेकंड 50 सेकंड भी करेंगे तो वो 1 मिनट का रेट ले लेगा। और जब वो 1 मिनट से घड़ी आगे चली जाएगी तो वो दूसरे मिनट पे चली जाएगी। हम TRA से कह रहे हैं कि एक्चुअल जो चार्ज होना चाहिए सेकंड टू सेकंड का होना चाहिए। मैंने 50 सेकंड यूज किया है तो मेरा 50 सेकंड का चार्ज कीजिए आप। परंतु अभी वो जो रेगुलेशन बदला नहीं है, पर हम चाहेंगे कि टेलीकॉम रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटी इस रेगुलेशन को बदले ताकि सेकंड टू सेकंड का पैसा चार्ज किया जाए और पूरे मिनट का ना चार्ज किया जाए।
So Professor Khanna, what you are telling us is that we should be moving towards per second billing system
Yes,
for mobile operators.
that is-
Let's get on to our next caller, who is Tushar from Mumbai. If you could hear us, sir, please go ahead with your query, sir.
Good evening. I'm Tushar speaking. I'm from Mumbai. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you, sir. Go ahead.
Hello.
Yes.
I'm an Orange Vodafone. Having Vodafone. मेरा पहला कॉल जब भी चालू होता है तो आवाज नहीं आती है, कॉल ड्रॉप करना पड़ता है। फर्स्ट कॉल ऑफ द डे इट ड्रॉप्स एंड सेंड द सेम कॉल अगेन, सेकंड कॉल आता है।
Oh, that's
Hello.
a very peculiar problem. The first call of the day. Yeah, Mr. Tushar, do you have one more question?
No, the same question, but in a day at least 5 to 10 times this thing happens. कोई भी कॉल करते हैं तो फर्स्ट वही नंबर अपने को लगता नहीं है, वहां से हेलो हेलो आता है, यहाँ से आवाज नहीं जाता, कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम होता है। मैंने हैंडसेट भी बदली करवाया, सब कुछ करवाया, लेकिन फिर सेकंड टाइम वही कॉल वहां पे वही नंबर पे वापस रिपीट कॉल करो तो लग जाता है। तो पहले में अपना 5 सेकंड 6 सेकंड बिलिंग चार्ज हो जाता है उसमें। Hello.
Right, I got your question, Professor Sriram Khanna.
This is a technical problem relating to signal, and I will repeat. Orange Vodafone is not going to change its technical parameters if one customer asks. They will not do it. It's my belief. I will be surprised if they react to a complaint he logs. Therefore, what he should do is he should find out जहां पर ये जिस लोकेशन पे ये प्रॉब्लम आता है क्या दूसरे फोन्स पे भी ये प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, दूसरे सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स के, एयरटेल है या आइडिया है या टाटा है। मेरा एडवाइस होगा अगर आपकी कंप्लेंट करिए, अगर आपकी कंप्लेंट करने से कुछ रीजनेबल टाइम में सोल्यूशन मिलता है तो ठीक है, नहीं तो बिस्तरा बांधिए और दूसरे सर्विस प्रोवाइडर के पास चले जाइए, क्योंकि इन पे चिल्ला चिल्ला के कोई फायदा नहीं है। दे विल सी ओनली द बिग मार्केट, नॉट इंडिविजुअल कंज्यूमर्स। और अगर आपको टेलीफोन नंबर इतना प्री है दैट यू कैन नॉट चेंज इट, देन वेट फॉर नंबर पोर्टेबिलिटी and take your number with you to the new service provider.
So again, the solution what you are suggesting is mobile number portability, but perhaps we will discuss it after the break, that TRAI comes out with its quality of service norms or regulations and findings, survey findings every quarter. So perhaps we can discuss that, but let's head into a break now. A quick reminder, if you do have any query related to mobile bills or mobile phones, all you need to do is pick up your phone and call us. The lines are open now. The number is 022-4098-7300. We also have an SMS number which is 59995. You can email us at oncall@utvi.com. We will answer them right here on the show. Do remember, all your queries will be forwarded to the telecom regulator TRAI. Call us with all your mobile phone related consumer queries. Professor Sriram Khanna, Chief Coordinator, National Consumer Helpline, is here to answer all your queries. We will again remind you that we will forward all your queries to telecom regulator TRAI. Professor Khanna, before we went into a break, we were discussing mobile number portability as well as the issue of call drops and congestion in the network. Now, how effective is telecom regulator TRAI's quality of service findings that it releases every quarter? You have been associated with it.
You see, the TRAI contracts reliable, independent research organizations to do these surveys in different circles. And samples are huge. In every circle, there's a huge sample. It's statistically reliable sample, but it is a sample survey. It asks the consumers about their thing, and then they also do the audit of the premises of the service providers. And they come into some findings. But the difficulty is, they come to know which company or which brand is doing better than the others in a given place. And it is not possible to say that one brand is good everywhere in India. No. In circle-wise, city-wise, you can get which brand is doing better. And this keeps on changing. But the difficulty is, TRAI is doing all this. It's also communicating to the providers. But the public is not getting to know. The consumers don't know who has been rated well and who has been rated badly. Therefore, we would like that the TRAI publish regularly the findings in all the major newspapers, issue press releases to the television channels, and the channels broadcast in every region what is the latest report about which service provider.
Let me interrupt you there because it's very interesting. I was having a word with Mr. J.S. Sarma, who is the new TRAI chairman right now, and he assured that very soon there would be a regulation wherein all the regional quality of service findings would be published in the local newspapers. So what do you have to say on that?
I think that's a very welcome thing. As the new chairman of TRAI, if he has said this, I welcome him, because this is information that consumers need, and consumers can then decide. I mean, if for example, the people who have just called, and if they find out what is the result of the survey for their companies in their city, and they know it's a poor service provider, it means he's not the only person who feels like that. There are many others. That's a good reason to shift to another one.
Right. I think there is a caller online with us. Sir, if you can hear us, please go ahead with your query, sir.
हाँ जी, नमस्कार जी, मैं पानीपत से डॉक्टर मनीष बोल रहा हूँ. हेलो.
Yes, Mr. Manish. Yes, Mr. Manish, we can hear you. Please go ahead with your query, sir.
हाँ जी, वो ऐसा है कि जैसे इसमें जो वैल्यू एडेड सर्विसेज हैं रिगार्डिंग जैसे आरकॉम फैसिलिटी रिलायंस वाले दे रहे हैं, रिगार्डिंग कॉलर ट्यून्स हैं, तो जैसे हम जो वैल्यू एडेड सर्विस है इसका बिना इस्तेमाल किए फिर भी ये बिल के अंदर ऐड होके आती हैं, चाहे वो 2-3 रुपए हैं या एक्स्ट्रा है, हर बार ये बिल में अंदर ऐड होता है. और सपोज मैं नया कनेक्शन लेता हूँ कोई भी, जैसे BSN का ही लिया मैंने रिसेंटली कनेक्शन, तो उसमें कॉलर ट्यून ऑलरेडी उसमें 1 महीने के लिए फ्री थी. उसके बाद मालूम नहीं वो महीना कब, मुझे तो मालूम नहीं था कि मेरे फोन पे कॉलर ट्यून है, तो 1 महीना जैसे ही खत्म हुआ अगले महीने का चार्ज उसमें से कट गया प्रीपेड में. तो मैं ये जानना चाहूंगा क्या मेरे को वो रिफंड मिल सकता है या फिर इसमें मेरी क्या मदद हो सकती है.
Mr. Manish, stay online with us. Professor Khanna, बताइए.
His problem is typical of many consumers. Companies are trying to make money. They are trying to give a service without consent. The regulations of TRAI have made it very clear. If any value-added service is given to any consumer without his explicit consent in writing, either it is SMS or recorded telephone or email or any consent, any form or even fax, he cannot be charged. So if he has been charged and they don't have proof that he has said, yes, you should ask for a refund for every paisa for the last 1 year.
No, how does he go about that? That's a very interesting question. How does he go about it?
Again, he has to make a complaint and he has to write to them also to say that this is the amount you have charged me, you refund me this amount. And if it is not refunded, go to the nodal officer.
Who does he go to first?
No, to the call center, docket number. I want a refund of so much. I'm sending this to you by email or fax or by letter. Wait for it. If you don't give it, go to the nodal officer. If he doesn't see it, go to the appellate officer. And if he doesn't do that, then I will advise him. He should contact and call the National Consumer Helpline 1800 1800 11 4000 on the landline from BSNL or MTNL. Record it, and what NCAG is doing is taking all these complaints and sending them to TRAI.
Manish ji, does that answer your question? Or do you have any other questions, sir?
It's okay. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Right. So clearly, Professor Khanna, there is a problem about the consumers approaching this despite TRAI's order that consumers cannot be given unsolicited value-added services. Why is it not being followed? Why don't
the difficulty is they are giving a farman, but their hands are tied. They can't take action if
Professor
somebody...
Khanna, let's just take one more caller. It's Mr. Suman Chandra who is online with us from New Delhi. Mr. Suman, if you can hear us, please go ahead with your query, sir.
Yes, sir. I am Suman Bhatia from New Delhi. Vodafone has contacted me and tell me that tell me for migrating prepaid connection to postpaid connection, and they have taken 250 rupees from me. And when the Vodafone executive called me for verification, it was found that the rate, calling rate are differ. So I have told them to not do it prepaid to postpaid, and they have ensured me to return my 250 rupees within 2.5 months, 2.5 months. But it has taken 4 months, and I haven't received any call from them. Sir, while they are...
You have a receipt? You have a receipt?
Hello? सर जब वो
कॉन्टैक्ट करते हैं
तो पैसा लेने के लिए तो सर वो घर में आते हैं, लेकिन जब पैसा वापस करने की बात आती है तो क्यों पैसा वापस नहीं करते हैं? मेरा ये सवाल है सर.
आपको रसीद दी है उसने? आपको रसीद दी है?
यस सर, रिसीट दी है सर.
हाँ, देखिए, आप उस रसीद को रखे रहिए, आप कंप्लेंट लिखाइए, डॉकेट नंबर लीजिए कि ये मेरे पैसे लिए गए थे, मुझे रिफंड नहीं हुए और मुझे इंटरेस्ट समेत वापस कीजिए. और आप कहिए मुझे 1% महीने का इंटरेस्ट चाहिए. ये डिमांड करिए, डॉकेट नंबर लिखाइए, नोडल ऑफिसर के पास जाइए और उसके बाद अपीलेट ऑफिसर के पास जाइए. जब तक आप ये नहीं करेंगे तब तक ये आपकी बात नहीं सुनेंगे.
Right, sir. On that note, let's head into a break now. Quick reminder, if you have any query related to mobile phone bills or mobile phones, all you need to do is pick up the phone now. Call us. The lines are open now. The number is 022-4098-7300. We also have an SMS number 59995. You can email us at oncall@utvi.com. We will answer them here right on this show. We will also forward all your mobile phone related queries to telecom regulator TRAI. Welcome back. If you're feeling helpless as a consumer and don't know what to do, do call us with all your mobile phone related queries. Professor Sriram Khanna, Chief Coordinator, National Consumer Helpline, is here to answer all your queries. We also promise to forward all your queries to telecom regulator TRAI. Kapil Dev is calling us from Nagpur. Kapil Dev, if you can hear us, please go ahead with the query, sir.
कपिल देव वर्मा बोल रहा हूँ नागपुर से. हेलो.
बोलिए.
Yes, yes sir, we can hear you. बोलिए.
हाँ, हमारे इसमें हम जो कॉल करते थे, ईस्ट यूपी में कॉल करते थे नागपुर से, तो वोडाफोन का एक है हमारा फोन. तो वोडाफोन का वहाँ से बगैर रिंग के हुए आवाज जो है मीटर चालू हो जाता था. हेलो. तो वो मीटर चालू हो जाता
yes, Professor, yes.
हेलो.
जी बोलिए बोलिए सर बोलिए.
तो उसमें हमने वोडाफोन को कंप्लेन की, उन्होंने अटेंड भी किए और रेक्टिफाई की वो प्रॉब्लम. लेकिन इसमें कम से कम हमारा 100 कॉल जो है, 100 ऐसा कॉल है जो कि हम बात नहीं कर पाए और उसका चार्ज वो लोग लगाने को बोल रहे हैं. क्या करें?
Right, Mr. Kapil Dev. Again, the same problem about call drops.
And same solution. It's not call drop. There is a perpetual problem that many of the calls cannot be completed. And what he should do is that if there is a call drop and he can identify in the calls which ones are those, he should claim a refund. And the only way to claim a refund is call this person at the call center, get a docket number, tell them how much money he wants to refund, send by fax, email or letter, and go to the nodal officer.
Right, sir. That's all we have time for in this very packed show. Call UTVI will be back same time tomorrow with Stay Hungry, where we will be answering all your career-related queries. Stay tuned. Keep watching, keep learning UTVI.